Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute sweater, hat, and mitten blocks. Aren't they sweet? They just are strip sets and reverse applique. If you have a lot of scrappy strips and you're looking for fun ways to use them that are creative and unique, like the quilts you see around me, I have a workshop on strip sets called Strip Set Play, and I'd love for you to come and learn with me. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like my video, to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To make these blocks, you're going to want some strips. I'm cutting mine. These are 1.5 inch with my AccuQuilt Go. You can cut them the traditional way. I threw in some stuff from my random strip spin, but nothing that was wider than 2 inches. Next, we're going to sew a strip set from all of these strips that we have here. You want it to be 4.5 inches wide. If you're just using the 1.5 inch strips, you'll just need to sew 4 of them together. Decide how you want your strips to go. So we'll sew this into a strip set. Once you get your strip set sewn, we're going to take a 5.5 inch square, so you can use a charm square. And then we have these lovely templates from Missouri Star. I'm using the smaller ones. They have the bigger counterparts. So this would work with a layer cake, and you could use 2.5 inch strips. And you can just choose which one you want to do. And we're going to kind of center that on there and trace it. We're going to carefully cut that out. This you could applique on something else. You can embroider, you could just play with that. And we're going to place this on top of our strip set. You want at least 1/4 inch into that background. And then we're going to take a glue stick, and I'm just going to glue this to that strip set so it doesn't move. Then you can hand sew a blanket stitch, or you can take it to your machine and do a blanket stitch. Once you get that blanket stitched on, we're going to flip it around and use our scissors to cut that seam allowance so it doesn't show through our block. You might have to pull back where you've glued. And just be careful you don't cut what you don't want to cut. And then you'll just rinse and repeat, making your sweaters and mittens. You can put them into a wall hanging, you could do a table runner, you can do mug rugs, so lots of fun ways to use this cute block. Remember, if you're looking for more fun ways to play with your scrappy strips, check out my Strip Set Play. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.